Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty with expert insights and honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the SkinMedica TNS Ceramide Treatment Cream. If you're someone looking to restore and hydrate your skin's barrier, you'll want to stick around for this one. This ceramide cream is designed to replenish and strengthen your skin's natural protective barrier. It comes in a 2-ounce container and promises to support skin hydration, improve texture, and balance out your complexion. But how does it perform in real life? Let's find out. The SkinMedica TNS Ceramide Treatment Cream uses a powerful mix of ceramides to help rebuild the skin's moisture barrier. Ceramides are essential lipids naturally found in the skin that help retain moisture and protect against environmental stressors. So when your skin is feeling dry, compromised, or irritated, ceramides are your best friend. Along with these, this cream includes hydrating ingredients to improve skin elasticity and smoothness over time. While it doesn't focus on heavy anti-aging benefits, it does promise a healthier, more balanced skin barrier. When I first tried it, I noticed how smooth and rich the texture is, perfect for dry or sensitive skin types. It absorbs well, though I would recommend using it after a hydrating toner or serum. It's not greasy, which I appreciated, and it layers nicely with other skincare products without pilling. I also noticed that it didn't irritate my skin, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitivity. The scent is neutral, so those of you who prefer fragrance-free products will likely appreciate this. Now onto the real-world testing. I've been using it consistently in my morning and nighttime routines. The biggest change I've noticed is the improvement in my skin's hydration levels. My skin feels soft and plump by morning, and it definitely looks more balanced throughout the day. I used it in a variety of conditions, during a busy work week, post-workout, and in colder weather, and I found it to be pretty consistent. My skin didn't feel parched at all, even when the weather turned drier. But as with any product, there are a couple of things to note. While it's great at hydrating, if you're looking for something that tackles deep wrinkles or more intense skin concerns like pigmentation, this cream might not deliver those results. It's more of a barrier-strengthening, moisture-boosting product than a treatment for advanced signs of aging. As for the pros, the texture is really impressive. It's rich without feeling heavy. The hydration it provides is on point, and it's definitely a great option for those with dry, sensitive skin. Plus, it doesn't break out my skin, which is always a concern with new products. On the flip side, the price may feel a little steep for some, especially since it doesn't offer a lot in terms of anti-aging or brightening. It's more about basic skincare maintenance than dramatic skin transformations. In terms of value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. If you're specifically looking for a ceramide-based product to restore your skin's moisture barrier, then the price is justified. However, if you're someone looking for a multi-purpose cream that targets wrinkles, pigmentation, or other concerns, you might find better options elsewhere, particularly in the mid-range market. When comparing it to similar products, I'd say this is one of the more luxury options out there. There are other ceramide creams on the market that offer similar hydration benefits at a lower price point. However, SkinMedica is a reputable brand known for its scientifically backed formulations, so it does carry some prestige, which might justify the price for those willing to invest in a premium skincare brand. The build quality of the product is solid. The packaging is sleek and functional, though nothing too fancy. The cream itself is housed in a sturdy jar that ensures the formula stays protected. Since it's designed to restore your skin's barrier, it's a product you'll likely need to use for a while to see its full benefits. With consistent use, it's safe to say that you'll be able to see a noticeable improvement in skin hydration and texture over time. When it comes to customer service, SkinMedica is known for having a responsive and professional team. I haven't personally had any issues, but their reputation in handling customer queries is solid, so you can rest assured in case you ever need support. Now, if this product seems a little on the pricier side, there are certainly alternatives that may fit a different budget. For example, CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream is a great drugstore option that also features ceramides and offers similar hydration benefits at a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for something more luxurious, Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream could offer an added anti-aging boost while still supporting your skin barrier. To wrap it up, the SkinMedica TNS Ceramide Treatment Cream does a great job of strengthening your skin's moisture barrier and keeping things hydrated. While it's not a miracle worker for advanced skin concerns, it's perfect for anyone looking to maintain healthy, balanced skin. If you're dealing with dryness, sensitivity, or a compromised skin barrier, this is definitely a solid option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.